How's it going, y'all? It's me, Noah, here. We're at the South San Francisco Caltrain station. We're going to be rail fanning here for a little bit. Here comes Caltrain 631. This is a northbound weekend local train making all the stops to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco. Here it comes. It's about to pull in to make its scheduled stop here at South San Francisco station. 323, 324 set, 323 leading, 3231 coach, 3232 bike car, 3233 coach, 3235 coach, 3236 bike car, and 324 trailing. Here's Caltrain 631, a northbound weekend local train to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco, making all the stops. And here it is making its scheduled stop here at South San Francisco station. Alright, y'all, here it is, departing South San Francisco, 3 minutes late at 3:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, with its next stop being Bayshore. Alright, y'all, there goes Caltrain 631 to 4th and King Street station in San Francisco, making all the stops. Once again, the next stop for this train will be Bayshore, and we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Don't go anywhere, stick around, there's still more to come. Alright, y'all, here comes Caltrain 632. This is a southbound weekend local train making all the stops to Diridon station in San Jose, and I'm going to be riding on this train all the way to its last stop. Alright, y'all, once again, here comes Caltrain 632. This is a southbound weekend local train making all the stops to Diridon station in San Jose, and I'm going to be getting on this train to ride all the way to its last stop. What set do we have on our 632?
Train 633 bathroom is out of service.
This is the 313, 314 set. 314's leading and 313's trailing. That door is out of service. Train looks packed.
Train 632, making all stops to San Jose.
Pretty sure it's packed. Holy come, it is packed.